Alright, I'm
I'm
ready.
gonna kill someone with a bone.
Yeah, I can't find any more bones either.
Oh, hello there. Where the fuck did they go? Oh my god, 1 second they're away, the next second they're gone.
There's
We're
one
fucked.
right above Javer.
Oh yeah, there is. That's the guy who's top. Let's just leave him.
Yeah. Damn it.
Yeah, you just completely missed him.
I don't think I did.
Well, on my swing you did. You double tapping them, bro. Bro knows how to waste ammo pretty good.
Beat his ass, Javer.
That's
No
cool.
witnesses.
Cole just hit me, no shot.
Okay, that was not
Close
my
another
fucking
one.
fault. Nah, I refuse to believe that one, man.
Or is that Virginia? No, that's one of them.
Why would Virginia be all the way out here?
Anything is possible.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
he was trying to run
Watch
away.
out, because if one of these are Virginia, then you just cap them.
Oh my god, those are boobies. Oh, Cole, look away, Cole!
Oh, woman.
I love how he said there's boobies. Cole stares
Cole
at them.
just look closer than any of us at them. That's the hilarious part.
I murdered those guys. That was fun. Not gonna lie.
Double tapped them for no reason.
That guy was not dead. He was squirming around on the ground, alright?
Well, then kick them or something.
No. A gun is always the best option.
None of them hit me, and then Cole came over and stabbed me. That was cool.
None of them hit me. That's probably because I
Let me
shot
stab you
them.
again.
I want to keep my armor. I can't believe I swam through
Stab
2
him.
shards and
Stab
kept
him
my
right
armor.
now. Stab him.
I'll shoot him in the
I'll stab
Where
him.
are we going, by the way? Jeffrey.
Hey! I have a gun,
You're gonna run out of
dog!
stamina. You're gonna run out of stamina. You're gonna run out of stamina. You're gonna run out of stamina. You broke my armor, dog.
Guys, stop! We can't do this no more! Stop it! Stop! Put the weapons down! Put the goddamn weapons down!
You shoot him. Oh my god, James is a fucking lockout. Why is
Put
that
your
a
goddamn
grenade?
weapons down!
It's a grenade.
Put your goddamn weapons down!
A fucking grenade now,
Tap on this
Jamer.
grenade.
So, whatever is here, I would like to loot it no matter what.
Tell me we can't take these. These be pretty good, I
The
think.
machete. Nice.
There's all the ammo I got back.
You found the machete already?
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah,
It's down here. Goddamn, where?
I've
on
always
the
jumped
boat.
cable. I was picking the machete.
I know there is. Did someone pop these? No, they're just deflated, right?
The shotgun rail. Nice.
Yeah, we're gonna add it to our
So now there's
shotgun.
definitely gonna be a shotgun.
But there, we got buckshot and slug already, so.
Hey, Jeffrey, catch.
You wanna shoot, Cole? Let's
It's
shoot.
a rock! It's a rock! It's a joke! It's a rock! It's a rock!
I'm joking. I would never.
Is my gun not on my backpack?
Hey, wanna see something funny? Hey! Yeah, bitch.
Glad you can customize your backpack. That's dope. What are you two doing? Boys, calm down, calm down.
Oh god.
What if I can take my armor off? I've never seen it have it on.
He's back in
Can you
heat.
take it off? Because I definitely would, because you guys are destroying it.
No, you can't. It's just on you.
Maybe if we stopped hitting each other.
Oh my god. Kneel before Christ. Kneel before Christ. Whoa.
Pretty drippy.
Wait, you,
No, honestly,
where did
this
you guys, wait,
poor
where did you
guy-
guys get that?
Cole, Jeffrey, you shot me.
Wait, where did you guys get that outfit?
You shot me. You shot me.
Where's the outfit? I wanna wear that.
Hey, you shoot me, I shoot Cole twice, alright?
Wait, what?
Don't shoot me.
Oh, you shoot Cole twice? Why shoot you? Damn, I'll take that deal.
Oh.
Ow! 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 He's burning me!
Oh.
He's dead. That was my armor.
Hey, why did I spawn at the bottom of the ocean?
Oh, you're tied up at the bottom of the ocean? You're lucky. You didn't spawn in a cave like I did.
Or do you want to go to a camp first? You always go to a camp first.
I still think we should have went to the 3D printer cave I was in earlier. Jeffrey.
Never heard of a 3D printer cave. You heard of a 3D printer cave?
No.
Hey!
You're not even like parrying me for fun. I'm gonna watch you two murder each other.
Why is Cole trying to kill me now?
I wonder
You
why.
shot him dead?
Oh, you know what? Just give me a
Hey, I'm
moment.
being murdered, Cole, if you wanna...
Oh my god, my fucking god!
Kill me, shoot him! I'm being attacked! Police,
Oh my
help,
fucking
police.
god, he died!
Police, oh wait, I just realized Jeffrey, I mean...
I'm black. This is a fucking race crime!
Damn! Yo! What is this one?
Execution. Fuck yeah.
God diggity damn.
Rabbit.
You just got Baptist.
Yo, can we give her clothes now?
Whoa.
Yeah, probably. Actually, aren't we wearing it?
Stylish.
Yo, what do you mean by that?
I don't know. No, I don't fucking. Alright, so drop the raw on me.
Oh, Cole?
What? Oh.
There's a floating leg! Do you see that?
Yeah, I do see that.
Damn. It's like waving her fingers like towards her, you know? Like I'm over here. There better be something cool.
Alright, what is it?
What's here? What's she pointing at?
A rock. What about the rock?
Or is she pointing at the ocean?
Hey man, you're really getting that new suit wet, so...
Hey Jeffrey, stop going to that cave and get back here.
I want to get something first.
God, you're
we
a
literally
loser.
checked that cave twice.
Yeah, but you kind of missed something.
He's gonna go get the suit without us. He's a loser.
It's not a suit, it's a leather jacket.
I want it.
Did you say leather jacket? Let's go.
He's above it, but I don't know. Where?
Hello.
Where's jacket?
It's just back that way.
I don't believe that. Where?
Actually, I'm gonna bring out my torch.
No, I don't see this.
I bet Jeffrey just lied to us to make us go on a random search.
Did you not see what I was wearing?
Think we're not seeing Javer? Oh,
Yeah, I
here.
think so. Can you res me?
How did you die? Oh, that's how you died.
The guy that I lit on fire 6 times? I think we're gonna put this one on Calvin.
I thought you were holding a knife, or not a knife, a gun to Javer's face for a second there.
Throw the machetes.
I love that we have the gun now.
I'm gonna shoot Javer in the face one of these times, so I can see it coming.
You already have. You broke all my armor, you dipshit.
I don't have any armor either.
Did you
No one
just
has
throw
armor.
Yeah.
What did you throw at him?
A stone. I should have chucked a grenade if I'm honest with you.
Attack us though. Those things aren't.
Yeah, we
frightening.
should just like try and walk past it.
Well, the tribes don't care, but the rat people care. I don't know why. Oh, hey, we were here.
Yeah, I know. We kind of destroyed it.
We should stop killing them. These guys are kind of coming up now. The little cave people.
Yeah?
Are we just gonna?
Jeffrey.
Jesus. Suck my dick. Oh, you're not dead. What the fuck? Die! Dead? Okay, now here's the thing. Who do we want to fight more? Do we want to fight the cave people more or the normal people?
The cave people. If these are the cave people, they seem pretty easy.
Until the fingers come
Okay.
and the twins.
Okay, well, maybe you're
So
right.
why are they coming outside now anyway?
They're coming outside now because we're killing more innocent guys.
Yeah, I don't think we need to kill innocent guys.
Okay, so let's just stay away from them.
Yeah?
The innocent guys? I mean,
Hey,
no,
Jeffrey?
I'm still gonna kill them.
Hello there. Yeah, but don't be.
He didn't like Javer in particular.
I was the only one not to attack these people.
Jesus
I didn't
fucking
about that.
Christ, Cole.
Is she friendly? Oh, she's mourning over her friend. That's sad. I was just about
Stop
killing them.
mourning, idiot.
Stop running, bitch.
Okay, well. I guess he killed a leader or something. What the hell?
Oh no, she's crying over his friend.
Jeffrey, look.
Oh. Oh,
This
brother.
isn't a good idea. I don't know if these ones are cannibals.
Honestly, though, I think we're more fucked up than they are. Let's go. Let's go now.
We're fucked up, Jesus.
Let's fuck these
them
guys up.
Let's fuck them up.
Don't break their camps, though. Just to break their camps. So just fucking kill the people.
Bro, I'm the only one that's not trying to kill everybody, but I guess I am now.
I just killed your friend, pussy!
Hey, this is the boss, I think. I'm dead
Bitch.
in one hit.
Oh god, you are.
And Cole just killed me. Nice.
That was me. I'm
Wonderful.
sorry.
Oh, blame it on
It's
me!
not
It's
that
always
hard.
me! It's always me! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, hey, Javer.
Hey, you want to cut me down?
Hey.
Right. Jeffrey, stop.
Did that hurt you?
Yes!
Oh my fault. Oh, hello.
You okay there, Javer?
Oh, I'm already dead
What is
almost.
up?
I love how it just
My-
fucking disappeared. Yo, you guys want to play soccer?
How do you think Kelvin's doing?
I'm sure he's doing A-okay.
What do we do if we come back and we find his dead body?
Well,
Well, I already saved over, so I should have probably made a second save file for when we left base.
So if we do come back and Kelvin is no longer with us,
Yeah, that's a problem.